Today, we're comparing three popular code editors: Sublime Text, Atom, and Visual Studio Code. Each has its strengths and style. Let's see which one fits your workflow best. Quick disclaimer: this is based on research and user insights, not endorsement or technical advice. Atom was GitHub's hackable text editor, fully open source, highly customizable with plugins and themes, and cross platform. But it's officially discontinued since late 2022 and no longer receives updates. Sublime Text is a proprietary editor known for lightning fast performance, low resource usage, and features like multi-cursor, command palette, and powerful search. Visual Studio Code or VS Code is free, open source, and extensible, offering built-in debugging, terminal, JIT integration, and a massive extension marketplace. If we talk about performance and customization, Atom offers deep customization and open source flexibility, but performance and startup are slow. Even reviewers note sluggishness. Sublime Text, on the other hand, exceptionally fast and stable, ideal for handling massive files, limited extensibility compared to VS Code. VS Code balances performance with rich features, slightly heavier than Sublime but far more capable out of the box. If we talk about ecosystem and features, Atom is great plug-in ecosystem, but stagnated development and discontinued support make it risky. If we talk about Sublime Text, solid plug-in support and native speed, set up more manual with fewer high-scale integrations. VS Code, on the other hand, is a leading-edge extension marketplace, integrated terminals, debugging, source control, all complementing VS Code's richness. If we talk about community and longevity, Atom, although developers love its hackability, its discontinuation leaves it unsupported. Sublime Text maintained with periodic updates, praised for focus and speed. One Redditor called it fast, stable, and distraction-free over bloated alternatives. VS Code rapidly growing community, frequent updates, and clear long-term backing, hard to beat for future-proof investment. If we talk about developer voices on Reddit, many note that VS Code can feel sluggish on older machines, whereas Sublime remains snappy even with disabled extensions. A longtime Sublime user says, "Sublime is fast, stable, and does everything I want without getting in my way." VS Code feels like a flurry of notifications. Another user switched to VS Code after 8 years with Sublime and found it a breeze, despite missing Sublime's speed. For the final verdict, all three editors are legit but target different user needs. Atom was ideal for customization, but it's now outdated with unsupported use with caution. Sublime Text stands as the fastest and most stable, great for lightweight coding and editing. VS Code wins for all-around capability, extensive tooling, frequent updates, and strong ecosystem make it the best long-term choice. Which editor fits your style? The speed of Sublime, the extensibility of Atom, or the full-stack features of VS Code? Drop your preference in the comments. If this was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth comparisons. Keep coding smart and catch you in the next one.